Good morning. So it's our first full week of flexible learning, and I have posted the announcement for today already. So I'm just going to walk you through that announcement and how to find today's assignment. So of course this is our homepage. So if you want to see today's announcement, you probably got it via email, but you can also find it here. So today is Flexible Learning Day 3, March 23rd. So today you are going to complete the Voyage of the Beagle introduction assignment. I'll show you where to find that in just a second, but I also have it typed out here. So it's going to be underneath our Unit 7 Evolution module, and then underneath that, the Intro to Evolution header, and then underneath that, the Voyage of the Beagle. So that was a worksheet I gave everyone who was present at school last Friday, a hard copy, but I've also attached a PDF of the worksheet to the assignment. So what you're going to do is you're just going to read through it. This is what it looks like. So read through the information on the front. There's a little bit more on the back, and then there are 5 questions. So obviously, you don't need to write it on the hard copy because you're going to be submitting your responses via the assignment on Canvas. Again, I'll show you where to find that in just a second. So that's all you're doing for today. So don't forget to be completing your learning log. I've been getting a few more of those trickling in, so thank you for that. If you're having trouble getting access to it on Canvas, I can share it with you directly from Google Docs, so just let me know if you're having issues. When you get that original copy, don't forget to click Make a Copy and then replace the word original with your name. So just to recap what you have done or should have done so far. So the evolution vocabulary was our first assignment. So you just needed to make a set on Quizlet and then submit the URL into the submission box. And then day 2, you needed to watch the What is Evolution video and then post a reply on the discussion board. So that was a total of 3 points. 1 point for watching the video, 1 point for posting a reply, and then 1 point for replying to somebody else's comment. The last thing you needed to do through all of that was your learning log. So I went ahead and put my email address in here if you need it. It's also in the document. So today I'll have office hours from 1 to 3. During that time, I'm going to start a conference. So again, if you need help, if you need support, if you're like, I don't know what the heck I'm doing, I will be there. You can hear my voice. I'll put on the video. I can share my screen with you. And I think it would really help to clear things up. So if you're awake during that time, go ahead and join my conference and I can help you in any way I can. So now I'm going to show you where to find today's assignment. So I'm going to go back to the home page. And I'm going to scroll down. Of course, this is going to look just a little bit different from you because this is the teacher canvas. So this is our unit, Unit 7 Evolution. Intro to Evolution, we already did the vocab. Now we're going to do the Voyage of the Beagle. So you'll click on that. So if you click on this link, the worksheet will come up in a PDF. So you can read through that information, okay? The questions you are going to answer by, for you guys, it will show up as an orange box up here on the side, I believe, that says submit. So you'll click submit. It'll bring up a text entry box. So answer those questions right in that box. You can also record yourself answering the questions if you're comfortable with that, if you don't want to type. I'm fine with either one. Okay, so that will be an assignment that's going to be entered into the gradebook on Friday. I'm trying to keep with the same routine of updating grades on Fridays just to give everybody plenty of time to get the work done. Let's see, I think that's everything. Yeah, so once I'm done recording this video, I'll post it here, Flexible Learning Day 3. I'm going to try to post it as a discussion. That way, if you have any questions, you can reply directly on there. I'll be available via email all day today, and then again via the conferences on Canvas from 1 to 3. I hope everybody's doing okay. Miss you guys. And good luck with everything. Let me know if you need help.